Welcome to Educational Media and Technology. I'm Dr. Massey and I'm going to be your professor. This is in a hybrid online class. What that means is that there will be 6 required sessions that you have to be in the face-to-face class, and the remainder will be done on your own. Each week you're going to have the assignments launched on Monday morning. It is your responsibility to check the assignments as soon as they are launched. You will receive an announcement via email. The way that I will list the courses will be on the announcements page, and they will be in a bulleted format. They will look much like this particular arrangement right here. So I put for week 1, you will have 4 tasks. First task is a syllabus task located under the assignments tab, due 8/23. Survey located under the assignments tab, due August 24th. The discussion thread located under the discussion thread is going to be due August 25th, and then the online learning assignment is located under the assignments tab and it's due 8/28. This format was what you'll see on the assignments page. You will also see a either an audio recording or a video recording each week that goes back over these specific things. So what I'm trying to do is have you see it, hear it, and then you'll hopefully look at those and put those dates on your calendar so you don't miss a date that is critical to your success in this course. What you're going to see on the on the announcements page for this week also are the 6 required dates that you must be in class. There are no exceptions to those dates. The rationale from selecting these specific dates, or they coincide with a particularly difficult technology piece that you're going to be integrating with lesson plans. So every assignment that you do with technology will also have a lesson plan that is required to go along with that particular technology piece. So you'll see these dates for this week. I will also include additional lectures that will be located under the PowerPoints. Again, that's your responsibility to make sure that you review those on at the beginning of the week, and then if you have any questions, contact me immediately. We can do Google Hangouts, we can do a face-to-face meeting if necessary, we can do it via phone. It's totally up to you. But these are the things that you're going to need to be able to know in order to be successful in this course. Okay. I said the announcements page will be the landing page for this. So you'll see this, but it'll have the information I just showed you. Right here is my information. This is my email address, that's my office number, this is my cell number, of course that's who I am. My office hours will be listed here, though they're also on the syllabus. You can contact me by text message, by phone, again email. You can set up Google Hangouts or FaceTime. I do both platforms, so I'm versed in both of them. So that's another reason why on your introduction assignment, which is under the discussion thread, I want you to answer the question, what you know, are you a Mac or you're a PC person? So I know how many I'm dealing with both. The syllabus tab is located right here. You're going to review the syllabus in depth. You're going to then email the following response. You can copy and paste the verbiage. I have read the syllabus and agree with the terms and conditions. I acknowledge that this is a contract between the professor and me, and by sending this statement, I have no questions or concerns and understand the commitment that is necessary for success in this course. By your sending this statement via email to me, you acknowledge that you have no questions concerning topics, dates, etc. The syllabus is a contract, and it assists me and you in the success of this course, and that's why I do that. And again, that data is incorrect. I haven't changed that. The discussion thread is located here. I have general discussion board guidelines. You'll need to review those. Here again is the information that I want you to be looking at for your assignment in the discussion thread. I want you to use your cell phone to record your introduction. Everyone has a recording device on the cell phone. Once you record it, if you hit the little share button, which looks like a sideways V, that'll allow you to send it to yourself via email or text. I suggest email. That way you can go ahead and attach it to the discussion thread. The way that you would do that is to click on this, and then you're going to click Create Thread. And I want you in the subject line to put your first and last name. So if your first name is Sally and it's Smith, you would put that, and then you click the little attach button, and then you browse for your file. And the recording will be, depending upon whether or not you're using an iPhone or you're using an Android, it'll be in the form of an MP3 or a WAV. So then you browse for it, click open, and then it'll you click submit. You'll see it on the line here. Once you do that, you can add any other information you want to. You can go ahead, if you have a picture, you can go ahead and post that, and then you click submit. And that's how you are going to post that. Under the assignments tab is where you're going to find this week's assignments. So it's under a folder, and I put in here the 3 things that you're doing. So the syllabus test is due the 23rd, the survey is due the 24th, and then your big project is the technology integration paper, which is due the 28th. You click on the title of the folder, and then it expands into the 3 things that you're going to be doing. For every piece of this, you have to click on the actual title to get it to expand. The syllabus test, once you click on it, it starts, and then you just answer that. Note that because it is this is a computer test, if your responses are not exact, it'll give you a 0, but I will go through there, and if they are a close match, you'll get credit for that. The same thing with the survey. And then with your online learning assignment, you click on this. Again, it's going to expand. It gives you the due date, the points possible. It tells you to read the attachment for complete requirements of the assignment. Submit it via the assignment link, which is right here. Do not write in the text box. Use a Word document to spell check your information. Do not write it in there, because you can't spell check it. Part of what you're getting graded on with the rubric is for spelling, grammar, APA, those types of things. I have included the link to the YouTube video, which is also on the online learning document. So once you go ahead and complete your assignment, and again, please use spell check on Word. You browse for the assignment, and in a case where you're submitting multiple documents, you can do that as well. So I'm going to show you how to do that type of process. You click on the document, you click open. You see how you've got one there. Don't go down here and click submit, because you'll have multiple submissions, which is really, for me, when I'm looking at those, I will assume that the most current one is the one you want me to grade. But if you've separated them, or maybe you've written it 3 times, you need to put on the one you want me to grade. But if it's that you're including multiple documents, include it all at once. So you browse the computer again, you click on your next document. Again, you see it's listed right there. You browse again, click on that, click open, and then you would go down here and submit. Now you can put comments here. So you could put, Dr. Massey, please accept my assignment. Or if you had concerns, like Dr. Massey, I had an issue with formatting, would you please review that? If you submit your document before the due date and you want it to be reviewed, you need to text me and let me know that you did that. So if it's at the due date time, you're not probably going to get it reviewed in time for you to make any changes. So make sure that if you're looking for some feedback prior to the due date, you actually do it prior to the due date, and then you text me and say, would you please review my document? I submitted it via the assignment link. Okay, so I'm going to cancel out of that because I don't want to submit that. Okay, so each one of these, again, you have to click on the title, and then you click begin, and as soon as you begin, it starts recording your answers. On the weeks where I do have lectures, I'll put the lectures in the PowerPoint tab here. I will also put them with the specific assignment, and I'll tell you, please review this lecture before beginning your assignment. You'll have your ability to send email and look at your grades, the library, and any Blackboard tools. If you have any questions at any time, please contact me via text, email, or you can come by my office. Again, my office hours will be posted on the syllabus. There will be no class tomorrow night. All of these are pretty easy things to do on your own. The first required face-to-face class will be in week 3, which is going to be September 6th. So again, I look forward to seeing everyone in class on September 6th. Have a great semester.